can put your palm down, right, from the ankle and go up. Left palm will hold your the left leg over here. Press and release. Press and release. You can use the left thumb to press it easier. Press and release. This one. Today in this video, we will have a chance to practice Qigong massage legs. It takes 5 to 10 minutes to practice to learn this Qigong to massage our legs to help us to relax and release tensions from our legs and our feet and make the blood and Qi flowing good. Especially winter is coming and keep our feet warm. We will bring mind back to the body. Breathing in and out deep through the nose. You feel your palms, you feel your heart, you feel the abdomen. You feel your legs especially. So your two feet will be on the ground. So first of all, we will massage our two palms warm, okay? And then after you massage your warm, you can make the fist by 2 hands. And then massage from the upper part of your legs, your thighs, go down to 2 legs, like that. On the top of your lap, go down to the knees and beside. Again, go down, go to front. You put your 2 palms beside your knee, from knee go down, right? And right here, under your knee. You use make the fist of 2 hands. This point can make your legs stronger and you can walk further. You just massage for 30 times and more. You just breathe naturally, okay? That's good. So you cross left legs on the right knee, and then you just use your 2 palms. Just press it, get massage, and slowly from the angle of your foot, legs go up. You just massage your leg, offer love and care. Especially, you can put your palm down, right, from the ankle and go up. At the end of the wrist, right here, there is a point under, on the belly, in the back of your legs. You just press it. Right here, in the back. You press it. This one is when your legs get numb. Right here. You can use your thumb and press it. You press and release, press and release. After that, we will go down to the ankle. Use your first fingers and the thumb to massage around your ankle, okay? Your left ankle. You press it and release. Press it and release. And then use your 2 thumbs on your feet right here. Press it. Even you can use your right palm. Left palm will hold the left leg over here, and the right palm to massage in the back of the foot, left foot. Just massage it. That's wonderful. Do that for 10 or more, 10 times and more. Make warm. Okay, right now in the sole of the feet, you're holding all fingers. You're holding the first part of the left foot, and you can use holding the fist. Make the fist by the right hand, and you just massage like that. Just press it and massage around the sole of the left foot. You do like this, make the chi and the blood flowing good, but also keep the sole of the feet warm. That's wonderful. Okay, you put the left foot down, the right foot cross on the left knee. Do the same. Okay, your two palms to massage and press it. And after that is you can measure from the ankle or up to the wrist. Okay, right here, and up here there is in the back of the right, we call the belly of the leg. Okay, you just press it. Yeah. That's one. Help you to release tensions and numb. Sometimes you feel numb with your two legs, and this one keep your leg is healthy and relaxed. You feel a little bit pain and hurt with this point, acupressure. Okay, and the angle. You use your first finger and your thumb to massage and press it, massage around the right angle. And then in the back of your right foot. Okay, you can use the right hand to hold in your right leg. Okay, and then you can massage from here. There is under of the first toe. First toe and second toe. Yeah, right here. Yeah, you can press it and release it, and then continue. Press and release it. And you can massage on the top of that. And you're holding use all the right fingers. You're holding all the toes on the right leg over here. Make the fist with the left hand, and then you can massage the whole on the sole of the right foot. Okay. Up and down. Keep your sole of the feet warm. Want to acupressure. Make the blood flowing good. That's wonderful. You can massage your palms and shake it. You breathing in. Open your palms, breathing out. It's nice to have a yoga mat or something on the top of the floor, and then you can put your feet on it, but until you feel your feet flat on the floor, flat on the yoga mat, and you breathe. And when you practice and you let your feet flowing good with your blood and chi and energy, so you can have some contact with the floor, but at the same time your hands will massage the feet. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining us, and hopefully you have 5 or 10 minutes to have a chance to massage your legs and keep your legs strong. and keep your feet warm.